Hi, it's Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast, and I'm going to do an episode today on a couple of videos we did for you on the carbon fiber vinyl wrap that we did around our fender, okay? We did our fenders, and we also did back over here on the bumper as well. Now, I want to give you an update on some things. Now, number one, the protection we put down here by the license plate, I had to remove. The reason being, as you know, water pools right here at the bumper, okay? And when it pooled, it got underneath the sticker, the vinyl sticker, and it started bubbling up, so I had to remove it. So far, everything's holding up well on these other ones here. Aside from the pollen, which makes it look totally horrible, this vinyl looks great, although covered in green, and it's holding up well. But I'm here today, not even this week, I'm here to you today because I am the only Cybertruck YouTube channel with daily content. While this is great, I've got Roger from CybertruckCo.com. CybertruckCo.com is an American company coming out with Cybertruck parts. In fact, if you watched our side mirror delete, this beautiful solid metal construction right here that screws right into the original side view mirrors, this came from CybertruckCo.com. And as you know, we talked about, we had 3 different options. This is the one that I run on my truck, okay? And I've been doing the side mirror delete now for 3 or 4 months. I've been running this one for a while, and I love it. It's solid, it looks good, it looks OEM, okay? CybertruckCo.com has got some great new parts coming out. I hope Roger's not upset. I'm letting the cat out of the bag, but I can't hold it in. I'm gonna have to tell you the secret he told me. He's just developed, and it's under production, some aftermarket fender flares that are going to make your Cybertruck look amazing. I saw some pictures. In fact, we're going to put some pictures here of the CAD drawings. I don't have pictures of the final product because he's still making them. Shh, super secret, okay? Don't tell Roger I told you. He also has a rear bumper that you can replace your rear bumper. This thing actually comes off, you know, within an hour. You can have this whole thing off and replace it with another bumper that looks more sexy than this does. He also, big secret, don't tell anyone. He's got 2 spoilers for your Cybertruck that'll look sexy as hell. He's got a spoiler over here in the tailgate, and he's got another spoiler for up here at the top, and both of them are gonna make it look really, really stylish, really custom. And the thing I love about the Cybertruck is that, for the most part, everyone out there, it's kind of like a blank canvas. Marcus and I talked about that, right? It's a blank canvas, and it's so customizable and personable, these Cybertrucks. All you guys out there have all different color wraps. Some of you have polished it like us. Some of you just keep it raw dog. Some of you have bumpers. Some of you have roof racks. Some of you have the light bars. You know, everyone's got, some people have different wheels. Some people do the OEM wheel covers. I kind of do the red calipers and the new covers that the Tesla sent. It's such a personable vehicle that you can make your own look on it. And Roger's got these really cool items. And for those of you who don't know, these fender flares actually come off pretty darn easy. In fact, when we went ahead and did the polishing episode, okay, we actually did a video on how to reassemble these fenders. So if you ever have to take these off and put them back on, we've got a video with how to remove these and put these back on. Pretty darn easy. They're put in with these plastic inserts, so really they just pop off, right? So when you get this CybertruckCo replacement, because I know you're going to want to check it out, and we're going to have a video on this, don't you worry. You want to start at one end and work your way around, either clockwise or counterclockwise. And just remember that on your fender, you've got your camera here, right? So that's going to be connected via a wire. Now, you don't ever want to unplug the wire from the camera because that may result in a recalibration at the service center. So if you have to remove the camera from the fender, if you're planning to do the CybertruckCo.com fender replacement, the best thing to do, because you're going to have to remove the camera from the fender, but if you take it off even to polish it or something else, there's two small Torx bits, or Torx screws I should say. You use your Torx bit to unscrew it, and that'll remove the camera from the fender well. And there's also another wire sensor connector that's in there. You just remove that as well. So these fenders and the rear bumper, you're gonna have an option now to go ahead and replace these with something really, really cool. Again, an American-made product from an American company, CybertruckCo.com. You're gonna have options for a couple of spoilers. So we're gonna do a few episodes on this. We're gonna show you not only how to install it, but how it looks at the end. And while the vinyl wrap looks good on this bumper, okay, it's not permanent. And some of you, I know, will step up on the bumper. I generally don't do that. I kind of just put the tailgate down and I climb up on the tailgate. But yes, somebody made a comment in one of the other videos, what if you stand on these vinyl? It's vinyl, okay? So I don't know if I would really want to stand on it, but I'm kind of short. So for me to get my foot up here, that's a bit of a stretch. Plus I'm 56, I can't stretch that much, okay? So anyway, I'm looking forward to how that's gonna look, and I'm gonna get in trouble. Maybe Roger won't send me the parts because I let the cat out of the bag, but take a look at these pictures. I think it looks so cool. I cannot wait to get them shipped to me. And if it's anything close to what that side view mirror delete filler panel looks like, guys, I'm gonna be rocking some really cool fender wells. So, are you excited like I am? Because I can't wait. So, what I want you to do, as I want you to do with every episode, and I appreciate you doing this, I want you to go down right below here, hit that like button, okay? And then I also want you to ask me some questions, comments, concerns, and subscribe, always subscribe. Tell other Cybertruck owners about the channel, and I'm gonna see you again tomorrow.